Hi, welcome to our What We Eat in a Day video to help fight cancer. This is Hannah. She has lived a vegan lifestyle for 2 years and counting and loves every moment of it. Since going vegan, she's become much happier, healthier, and energized. Her skin cleared, digestion improved, and her drive and focus is stronger than ever. She loves to spread the endless benefits of her plant-based lifestyle for the animals, environment, and health. This is Megan. She's been vegan for 2.5 years, and since being vegan, she has cured herself from extreme allergies and gastro issues. She enjoys sharing the vegan message and loves showing others that a plant-based life is all the medicine you need.
First, I'm cutting up and putting aside kiwi. Kiwi consists of flavonoids and carotenoids that prevent DNA from the damage or oxidative stress that is cancer. Now I'm adding in a few chunks of overripe bananas that I keep frozen in my fridge. Overripe bananas, or spotty bananas, produce an anti-cancer substance called TNF that combats abnormal cancerous cells. The darker the spots, the higher will be its immunity enhancement quality. Typically, I would add oranges to the smoothie, but today I have 2 clementines. Citrus fruits, including clementines, contain vitamin C that helps to prevent the formation of cancer-causing nitrogen compounds. Also, foods that are rich in carotenoids like beta-carotene may reduce breast cancer risks. Next, I am adding blueberries. Blueberries contain high amounts of a cancer-fighting substance called phytochemicals that are rich in potent antioxidants. And spinach, a rich source for vitamin E that aids in keeping your cells' defenses strong. The vitamins, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and phytonutrients do the job. The folate in spinach also helps the body produce new cells while repairing DNA. I also like to add Garden of Life Perfect Food containing amazing organic, cancer-conquering superfoods such as grass juices including barley, alfalfa, wheat and oat, plus spirulina, chlorella, calcified red algae, various kelp species, flaxseed, chia seed, broccoli, carrots, ginger, kale, Brussels sprouts, and probiotics. Organic brown flaxseed, which I'm now putting into a blender to grind up. Your body absorbs more fiber from the milled ground flax seeds, which are an omega-3 fatty acid known to prevent cancer by inhibiting cancer cell proliferation and disrupting steps that are critical to tumor growth. They also help reduce inflammation, possibly minimizing the risk of cellular mutations in the first place. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid found to limit the growth of cancer cells in both breast and cervical cancer. Researchers also found that it causes apoptosis of cancer cells without harming the normal healthy cells. Here I am adding high pH alkaline water to neutralize the acid in my bloodstream in which cancer cells thrive. And this is where I suddenly remember that I forgot to add a Brazil nut. Brazil nuts are the densest food source of bioavailable selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant that plays many important roles in our body and is the anti-cancer powerhouse. Just a few hours later, I picked out some frozen grapes for a snack. Grapeseed extract can kill 3/4 of leukemia by triggering a protein called J&K, which encourages apoptosis in cancer cells.
For lunch, we took a trip to the west side of Atlanta to a Beat, a super cool restaurant that has salad and grain bowls, in-house made juices, and so much more. Our favorite here is the Very Vegan. The Very Vegan is filled with kale, which is one of the cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are unique because they possess sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. They also have been linked to a long list of health benefits, including improved heart health, weight loss, and reduced inflammation. It also has quinoa, which is high in fiber and protein. It's also a seed, but it's commonly mistaken as a grain. We also have chickpeas, which contain sapones, a phytochemical that prevents cancer cells from multiplying and spreading throughout the body. Pomegranate seeds, which are full of ellagic acid, a phytonutrient. Ellagic acid has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and deactivate cancer-causing compounds. Then there's also sunflower seeds, and only 5 tablespoons of sunflower seeds will provide you with 20 milligrams of vitamin E, the ultimate cancer-fighting booster, which inhibits cancer cell growth, and protects immune cells from free radicals. Vitamin E also boosts your immune system's ability to fight. Also lemon, which is great for detoxing the body, and Upbeat's signature sweet cashew dressing, and agave sriracha tofu. If you want to make it even tastier, just add avocado. For dinner, I made a grain bowl. For the base, I made golden quinoa, which is just simply adding turmeric and a crack of black pepper during the boiling process to increase its bioavailability of curcumin, which is a health-promoting compound in turmeric, by 2,000%. Next, kale. Kale is a cruciferous vegetable, like we said. Also, raw kale is hard to digest, so instead just massage with lemon for a few minutes and let sit while you cook everything else. Your digestive system will thank you. Next is steamed broccoli. Broccoli is also a great cruciferous vegetable to add into your diet. It is super high in vitamin A's and K's, and remember, the more raw, the better. I steamed mine for only 2 minutes to ensure all the nutrients didn't escape. Next is steamed sweet potato. Definitely keep the skin on because it holds tons of nutrients and you definitely want to keep those. Then an avocado for healthy fats to make sure everything is creamy when you get mixed up. Now here we have the superfood broccoli sprouts. This is one of nature's top cancer-fighting foods. These little sprouts are packed with tons of nutrients. First of all, sulforaphane inhibits the function of phase 1 enzymes, which activates procarcinogens, which is substances that are metabolized into carcinogens in the body. Then it induces phase 2 enzymes to begin their work. Unlike phase 1 enzymes, phase 2 enzymes detoxify your body of potential carcinogens and other disease-causing compounds. The scientific term is xenobiotic metabolism. Eating broccoli sprouts can also influence the amount of fascinating protein known as NRF2. It's interesting because this protein functions early in life as an antioxidant likely to serve in cancer prevention, but once cancer has spread, also seems to promote tumor growth. Researchers observed the activity of HDAC, cancer-promoting protein, to determine how NRF2 is functioning in the body. The more activity in NRF2 pathways, the less HDAC is expressed. They also look at the expression of the P16 gene, a cancer suppressor that inhibits HDAC. In animal studies, sulforaphane was able to exhibit strong cancer-fighting ability in mice with high NRF2 concentrations, but had very little effect in NRF2 deficient mice. Reducing HDAC in human colon cancer cells causes sulforaphane to double its ability to cause P16 expression and potentially stop that cancer from growing further. A human study found that those eating more than 5 servings of cruciferous vegetable servings a week or taking a broccoli sprout supplement had higher P16 expression and lower HDAC, according to the colonoscopy screenings. For the dressing, we made a sweet nutty sauce with tahini, water, coconut aminos, and a dash of maple syrup. I used a monk fruit-based maple syrup, which gave the sweet taste with only 1 gram of sugar, finally topping it off with some hemp seeds. Cancer is caused by several genetic mutations in a single cell. 95% of cancers are sporadic mutations, and only 5% are hereditary. Mutations can happen for several different reasons. One being random internal mistakes that can happen when cells metabolize or divide. Two is exposure to harmful chemicals like nitrates, which is found in red meat, and other carcinogens like aflatoxin, arsenic, etc. And three, radiation like UV light and X-rays. Meat and dairy products are pumped with carcinogens and hormones like nitrates, which add chemicals to your body and increases your chance of mutation. We hope you enjoyed our 3 plant-based meals to help elevate your body through cancer-fighting foods.